welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and we are making a raisin bread. My daughter really loves this, so let's get started. Not too many ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour. You may not need all of this. 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 cup or 250 grams of raisins. In the background, not pictured, I soaked the raisins for about an hour in water. You can also soak them in juice or alcohol as you prefer. Drain them before using in the recipe. Mix yeast and sugar in the milk. Add salt to the flour. Add the flour slowly. Mix with a spoon until you can't anymore, then knead in as much of the flour as you can to make the dough soft but not sticky. Finally, knead in the drained raisins. This may add a bit more moisture that you may need a bit more flour, but shouldn't exceed the amount of flour listed. Cover and allow to rise about an hour. Punch down dough and shape into a loaf and place into a greased loaf pan. Allow to rise another half an hour before baking. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes or until tapping on the top of the bread sounds hollow. When you remove the loaf from the oven, brush the top with butter. This raisin bread is gently sweet and lovely. I love eating it toasted with butter. Enjoy! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.